Firefox is losing users fast. If you want privacy, speed, and a better YouTube experience, check out these 5 open source browsers. 1. Zen browser, lightweight and fast. Minimalist design with low RAM usage. Built-in ad blocker for a smoother YouTube experience. Fast startup and great for low-end devices. 2. Vivaldi, the customization king, fully customizable with unique tab management. Floating YouTube pop-out player, works with all Chrome extensions. 3. LibraFox, privacy-focused Firefox alternative, no telemetry and better privacy than Firefox. Built-in tracker blocking for YouTube, uses native Firefox extensions. 4. Brave, blocks YouTube ads by default. Fastest browser for video playback, Tor mode for private browsing. 5. Ungoogled Chromium, Chrome without Google. No Google tracking or background data collection. Ungoogled Chromium disables functionality that requires Google domains such as Google Safe Browsing and replaces Google web domains with non-existent ones to block internal requests. It comes with built-in ad blocker. It removes binary blobs from the Chromium code and replaces them with custom alternatives when possible. The browser adds dozens of flags to change browser behavior that is otherwise unconfigurable, though many require manual activation. While it can use Chromium extensions, installing them from the Chrome Web Store requires a special extension called Chromium Web Store. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Until then, take care of your parents. Goodbye.